bunch of old people pictures. I wonder if they're like Dalai Lamas. Yep.
This looks nice.
It looks like the Dalai Lama to me.
Oh, there's my elephant. Yep, there you see it, Rose.
Wow, see? You were right.
This is pretty.
You have elephants.
Bye. We went to the wrong place.
And they'll recycle it and they give you points to get filled in. Yeah, but you have to mail them the poop.
Did Anna call you back?
No. All the geese are waiting for it to thaw.
They are waiting.
Oh wow, a giant golden statue.
Ooh.
Oh, I see them. Red top. They're leaving the car. Is that Aunt Teresa?
This place is huge. You were right. Oh my God. This is gorgeous.
Wow, I could live here.
Could you?
Yeah.
Stop saying we.
What do you mean? You wouldn't live here?
No.
Why not?
They wouldn't offer it to you to live here,
Exactly.
right?
Yes, they do.
Oh, Tana's coming.
She is.
All right, guys, we're at a temple. It's really cool. Ooh, look, the water's all frozen.
That's fun.
Oh, this is so cool.
Oh my goodness.
This place is huge. Ooh, my kids are starting to water now. Oh, shoot.
Did we make a reservation?
No, they said it was free. David Nye. Okay.
Yeah, I wanted the most, actually.
Y'all, I can't believe we're here. This is pretty.
It's so cute. Oh my God. And it's not even like snakes, obviously. It's not
I do like snakes, but it's cute. But also, last year I got the really pretty that iridescent dragon one.
Yeah, that one.
And I wanted to go, like, I wanted to go together. And I would get one every year.
Whoa, David, look, you see the little thingies? You didn't look at that? That's cool.
We're gonna have to put that away when we get to the door, okay?
Yeah, I know. Because I want to be respectful. But I also want to get this because I don't know how many times in our life we're going to be at something like this. Hmm? Ooh, my eyes are watering like crazy too.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why.
I don't even have to worry about taking pictures because I know Ivy will do it all.
This place is beautiful. Oh my, look. Y'all, look. This is gorgeous though. Look at this, this is beautiful. Y'all, I feel so lucky to be able to see stuff like this. The traveling life. Yes, please. Guys, this place is really, really nice. Going inside.
The fact that it separates, it works. I've tested it. I just don't like how it goes like this. I feel like it could be printed better.
Okay, hello. We are back. We are just setting up, oh my God, the solar panels right now. Let me turn you around. I can't even see. I was showing them the crack earlier and I made a video on it. I already posted about it. Tiana was like, how? They look pretty good though still. Hi, duty. Hi, buddy. They're getting 219 watts? Oh, okay. Yeah, they look good. Then that $14 beef jerky.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. You've made beef jerky before and it's been really yummy.
Yeah. Normally the beef jerky is much better.
So what did you put in it? It's been sitting overnight. What did you do?
Put some teriyaki. I put a little bit of sriracha. Put a little bit of brown sugar. Put a little bit of... What else did I put in here?
I
Oh,
don't know.
put a little bit of water. And that was it.
Look, this is the dehydrator that we're gonna use. Oh, I'm so proud you did it. That looks good. It looks tasty.
Yeah, it's gonna be tasty.
How long is it gonna take?
Probably like 6, 7, maybe 8 hours.
6, 7, maybe 8 hours. Okay.
Oh, so I take care of them every single day then? Yeah. 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 Talk to your parents.
Yeah.
I just would have ignored him. I would have been like, thank you for your time.
Well, I just said it's a lot more than what I was thinking.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have the guy do it when he puts in my leg. So he's gonna put legs in the dining room area,
Yeah.
underneath the sofa. You know, that one part that's like that.
I feel like it could have gone longer. But I feel like those pieces like...
Well, even
I really wouldn't want light right over the TV.
I want it like.
We got snowed in, guys, at Abuelita's house.